Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to showcase you how to update firmware on Onyx Boox Note Air. So first of all we will power on the device and let it boot. Then from the notification or control center we can select the Wi-Fi and press and hold this button to be redirected to the list of available Wi-Fi networks around us. We'll select one to which we have access to and provide the necessary password and connect to it. Once we'll be connected, with this we are meeting one of the prerequisites to update the firmware, because we are going to perform the firmware update of this device from the cloud, so hence the Wi-Fi or connectivity to the internet is required. As a next step, I will highly encourage you to attach the power adapter or make sure that the device is fully charged to make sure that during the update process will not run out of the battery, which could actually break the device and make it inaccessible. So after we have plugged the power source, we can navigate to the settings, firmware update, and click on the check for updates. You will notice that current software version is 3.2.4 and we are going to upgrade to the latest, which is currently 3.3.1 that was released in November 2022. So we click on check for updates and then download, and depending on our connectivity speed and the server availability where the packages are stored, we need to wait till the full firmware update package is downloaded on the device. Upon this, we will get notification whether we would like to proceed with the upgrade right now or postpone this. So let's click update immediately to proceed with the upgrade process itself. Now during this process, the extraction of the firmware is happening throughout this mode. You shouldn't attempt to turn off the device and just be patient and wait a couple of minutes. From my experience, this specific upgrade from 3.2.4 to 3.3.1 firmware software, it took around 10 minutes, the whole procedure. As you can see in there is also changelog which notifies us what type of features we will get upon the upgrade. So from a very high level perspective, we'll get a new control panel or control center with new handful links. We'll get ability to annotate our documents and synchronize those annotations to the cloud across all of our devices, or when we delete the data from our box device, we can restore it from the cloud. We can add for example, keywords to our text in our notes, so that we can search them more easily. And there is also addition to or possibility to add RSS subscription, so we can get notified of any news updates from various RSS feed servers. And there is much more, and I will do probably another tutorial on the features available. So when the download of the package and extraction is done, the device will reboot and will start installing the firmware itself. After it is done, it will again reboot the box and launch to the regular normal operating mode. When we navigate to settings, firmware update, we can notice that now the device is running the new software version 3.3.1. And if we try to check for the new available updates, we see that our device is currently up and up to date on the latest software version. This concludes this demonstration, and see you in the next one.